The Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk up for severe storms today across Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, and Nebraska. This is your Atmos Storm Extended Briefing, a closer look at yesterday's storms, today's severe weather threats, and what's shaping up for tomorrow. 29 hail reports, with stones up to 2.0 inches. 259 wind reports, with gusts up to 107 miles per hour. And 76 reports of flooding. The hardest-hit areas were across 29 states, including Alabama, Alaska, and Arizona. Now, turning to today's outlook. Scattered severe storms are possible today. Expect a few storms capable of damaging wind, hail, and perhaps an isolated tornado. The top threat level from the Storm Prediction Center is slight risk. For damaging winds, 15% across 20 states, including Colorado, Illinois, and Indiana. Scattered damaging wind gusts. For hail, 5% across 9 states, including Colorado, Illinois, and Iowa. Isolated large hail possible. For tornadoes, 2% across Illinois, Iowa, and Missouri. An isolated tornado or two possible. Dangerous flooding is also possible across Illinois and Indiana. Dangerous heat grips much of the country today, with extreme heat warnings across 19 areas, including Alabama, Alaska, and Arkansas. Limit time outdoors, stay hydrated, and check on elderly neighbors and anyone without air conditioning. And looking ahead to tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center already has a slight risk across 15 states, including Colorado, Indiana, and Kansas. We'll have the full picture in tomorrow's briefing. That's your extended briefing. Stay weather aware today. Get live radar and alerts anytime at atmosstorm.com, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. If these briefings help you stay ahead of the weather, subscribe and follow along.